As of 2025, Apple IDs are often called Apple accounts. To create one on your iPhone or iPad Air running iOS 18.1 or later, go to Settings. If you're not signed in, tap Sign In to your iPhone, iPad, and then select Create Apple ID. You'll need a valid email address like Gmail or iCloud and a phone number for verification. Enter your name, region, and email, then set a strong password. Apple recommends 12 plus characters with symbols. You'll receive a verification code via SMS to confirm your phone number. Once your Apple ID is created, the App Store will prompt you to sign in. You can immediately download free apps while paid apps require a payment method. To set up iCloud, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Here you can toggle services like Photos, Contacts, and Drive to sync them to the cloud. Enable iCloud Backup for automatic data backup and you get 5 gigabytes free storage. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication and consider using passkeys. Remember, your Apple ID gives you access to a unified ecosystem across all your Apple devices.